Understanding Worship Gathering, a guide to spiritual assembly. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that holds significant cultural and spiritual value: worship gathering. Whether you're learning English as a second language or are simply curious about cultural phrases, understanding the depth of such terms can enrich your language skills and cultural knowledge. So, let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Worship gathering refers to a meeting where individuals come together to express reverence and adoration, typically towards a divine figure or higher power. This term is deeply rooted in religious contexts and is most commonly associated with Christian practices, although the concept transcends various faiths and spiritual practices. It's a time for communal prayer, singing, learning, and spiritual reflection. Worship gatherings can vary widely in their format and activities, but several key components are commonly found. 1. Prayer. Communication with the divine, often involving thanks, requests, or confession. 2. Music and singing. Use of hymns, songs, or instrumental music to express worship and unify the attendees. 3. Sermons or teachings. Sharing insights from religious texts, aiming to instruct and inspire the participants. 4. Communion or fellowship. Sharing of bread and wine, or other elements, in some traditions, symbolizing unity and remembrance of a sacred event. Each element plays a crucial role in fostering a sense of community and spiritual connectedness among the participants. Worship gatherings are not just religious ceremonies, they are also rich cultural events. They reflect the values, traditions, and social fabric of a community. For many, these gatherings provide spiritual nourishment. They offer a space for spiritual growth and reflection. Sense of community. They bring individuals together, creating a strong bond of fellowship and support. Cultural identity. They preserve and transmit cultural and religious heritage from generation to generation. Understanding the cultural significance of worship gatherings can offer profound insights into the values and beliefs of a community. We hope this exploration of worship gathering has not only expanded your vocabulary but also offered you a glimpse into the spiritual and cultural tapestry that language can weave. Remember, learning a language is not just about words. It's about the stories, traditions, and values they represent. So, keep curious, and let your language learning journey also be a journey of cultural discovery. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.